To clear a task row with one click, we're going to need to do a couple things. We want to delete the data, but not any sort of formatting. One, we're going to have to add a checkbox column and write a little app script, but it's simple. I'll walk you through. Let's insert a column. Let's insert checkbox. Now this is going to be our clear column. Once we check that box, we want to just clear the data or the content in that row. Let's go up to extensions, app script. Now, if you don't want to write any app script whatsoever, let me share with you that I have a fully automated business operations task manager already built. It's called Sheet Ops. You can get it today, buy it today, and it comes off the rack with so many automations, including sending tasks to Google Tasks for yourself or delegating them to others with Google Calendar. Quickly email from here, WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS even. Write your own emails to follow up and quick reminders. Really, really cool stuff here. But back to the task at hand, let's write a little bit of app script. We need a function on edit with an event. This could be the word event, but we're just going to use E for now. Put in a curly brackets. And this on edit is a built-in function that's going to happen every single time there's any edit on this sheet. But the edit we're looking to do something with is the A column. So we're going to get some information from this event, from this E. We're going to know the row, e.range.getRow. We're going to know the column, e.range.getColumn. And so if column is equal to, meaning two equal signs, 1, then what are we going to do? We want to go from the second column over to the right, get that whole range, and clear the content. Let's go spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet, get active sheet, get range. Range is going to be the row we're on, column 2. Starting the number of rows, we only want one row, and the number of columns is going to be max columns. Well, we need another variable max columns, so variable max columns is equal to, we're just going to get all of that, dot get maximum columns, and we can clear content. Clearing content is just going to delete the data. We also want to do one more thing, which is, let's take this exact same range, copy and paste it, but instead of column 2, we're going to go to column 1, and we're only going to do 1, 1, meaning one row, one column, and we're going to uncheck it. That's because we know it's a checkbox column, and when it's checked, we want to clear it and then uncheck it. So let's make sure we have everything saved, and let's try clearing the second row. There it goes. It unchecks it, and it clears everything, but it keeps these drop-down menus intact. Isn't that cool? And so you can clear a task row with just one click, but if you're looking to do way more with your tasks, either assign them to yourself or others, check out Sheet Ops. It's available today. Get it, grab it, use it. All these awesome features like emailing a weekly report is possible of all the tasks you're doing and what's their progress. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.